Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we got something really exciting, a Black Bolt booster box. Hopefully we can pull something exciting out of it. Let's jump right into it. This is the newest, one of the newest sets in the TCG right now. And I got a decent pull out of white flare, so I'm trying to get something from Black Bolt now. And some people came at me in the comments for having long nails, and that's the reason why. Yeah, I'm just gonna open 2 packs out of this pack. Just to see. I'll open those other packs in some different locations. Let's see what we got here. And this guy. Oh, got one more pack here. Let's see what we can pull. Alright. Crocodile, Electros, Bishop, Tornadoes. Nice.